Hello, this is Alex from DBOS, and in this video, I'll walk you through the first few minutes with the platform. We'll use the DBOS Starter App to introduce the core features, namely durable workflows, schedules, queues, workflow communication, and DBOS Conductor. You can launch this app following our quick start instructions, and you can read the code in our DBOS Demo Apps GitHub repo. Durable workflows and steps are the core building blocks of DBOS. By durable, we mean that the result of every completed step is checkpointed into your Postgres database. If the process crashes and restarts, the workflow continues from the last completed step. Workflows can contain arbitrary control flow, including loops, conditionals, as long as all non-deterministic code is wrapped in steps. Workflows can also be scheduled in a cron-like fashion. This cron starts a new workflow every 5 seconds. The schedule itself is also stored in your Postgres and can be mutated, paused, or resumed. DBOS apps can also run in a cluster of multiple processes or workers and use queues to control concurrency. Here we use a queue with a worker concurrency of 3 to make sure that our worker does not execute more than 3 workflows at a time. This queue is also database backed, and I can mutate it without restarting the app. I can increase the worker concurrency while the app is running, and that will drain our tasks a lot faster. DBOS also provides communication primitives so that workflows can send and receive messages. In this example, a workflow gets to a certain point and then awaits for human approval. The user interface can be connected via the DBOS client to send a message to the workflow. And just like all DBOS operations, this wait is durable and persists accurately across app restarts. Finally, the conductor is a cluster-wide control plane for your workflows. Your workers establish outbound connections to Conductor via secure WebSocket. When workers crash or scale down, Conductor automatically redistributes tasks to the remaining live workers. Importantly, your workflow state remains in your Postgres and Conductor never stores it. Conductor also provides data retention controls, metrics, alerts, organizational role-based access, and many other features that apps tend to need in production. To connect your app to Conductor, first log in at console.dbos.dev and register the app. Make sure you use the same app name as the one passed to your DBOS constructor. Then create an API key. Finally, pass this key to the app and restart the app. And make sure the app says that it is connected to Conductor. Now we can see our app status and the status of our workers. Here we can view all of our recently executed workflows. And we can click on any of these aggregate bars to filter the data for the workflows we are interested in. We can also control workflows in real time. For example, I can come back to my app, start a workflow, find the workflow in Conductor, and press cancel. Now this workflow is stuck indefinitely at step 2. I can then find it in Conductor again and press resume and watch it continue to completion. We've covered a lot of ground in a few minutes, of course, but this is just scratching the surface. DBOS offers a lot of advanced features like queuing options, events, streams, workflow forking, observability, metrics, and different ways to upgrade your workflows in flight. Make sure to check out our docs at docs.dbos.dev to learn more. Try out our example applications Use our agent skills to have your coding agent add DBOS to your app. And of course, don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks very much for watching.